Farming is hard work. Farmers face many challenges from bad weather to pests. But there's a way to grow food that's a bit easier and safer: protected agriculture. Protected agriculture means growing crops in a controlled environment. This can be a greenhouse, a hoop house, or even a simple shade cloth. It's like giving your plants a cozy home. These structures protect crops from harsh weather like storms, extreme heat, or frost. They can also keep away pests that want to eat the plants. Protected agriculture is becoming more important as our climate changes. Weather patterns are less predictable. Farmers need ways to ensure their crops can still grow. With protected agriculture, farmers can grow food year-round, even in places with cold winters. This means more fresh fruits and vegetables for everyone. It also helps us grow food in cities and other places where there isn't much land. This can make food more accessible and affordable for people who live in urban areas. Protected agriculture isn't just good for growing food, it's good for the environment too. It uses less water than traditional farming because the structures help keep the soil moist. It also reduces the need for pesticides. Since pests are kept out, farmers don't need to use as many chemicals to protect their crops. This is healthier for us and the environment. Furthermore, many protected agriculture systems use less energy than traditional farming. They can be designed to be energy efficient using natural light and ventilation. Section 4. Greenhouses and beyond. Greenhouses are probably the most well-known type of protected agriculture. They are enclosed structures, often made of glass or plastic, that let in sunlight to warm the plants inside. But there are other methods too. Hoop houses are smaller and less expensive than greenhouses. They are often used for growing crops that don't need as much heat. Vertical farming is another innovative approach. It involves growing crops in vertically stacked layers, often indoors under artificial light. This saves space and allows for year-round production. Section 5. Helping farmers, helping our planet. Protected agriculture is a win-win for farmers and the environment. It helps farmers grow more food using fewer resources while also protecting our planet. By supporting farmers who use these methods, we are investing in a more sustainable and resilient food system. Choose food from local farms that use protected agriculture techniques. Let's work together to make protected agriculture the future of farming.